Here come the butterflies. Here come the butterflies. Here come the butterflies. And I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy again. It's been some time since I have felt the butterflies. I thought I had forgot the knots that tie me inside, but I'm alright. It's just that I wondered why I'd have to say this day would stay inside my young mind.